Hello friends, welcome back to Ammu Pets and Kennels. Yeah, we are the lockdown time. So boring. I just want to make something crazy. So nothing to do. Sitting at home, evening time, little getting some time, and we are spending the time over the stray dogs feeding. And with the God grace, we are feeding almost 200 dogs. Yeah, I will post it tomorrow while feeding, definitely. Now I got some time, there is a hometown near my hometown. There is a place called Keshwapatnam. I just came over here. It is a very small lake, so we are thinking to do some fishing. So here is the place. So see, they are my cousins and all. They're all enjoying here, and very beautiful view over here. And see, one of my friend who got the stick, fishing stick, but we are not getting any single fish over here. Just we are trying our level best, but the thing is, we are enjoying the atmosphere, the beautiful atmosphere over here. And alhamdulillah, just feeling relaxed, because it is very exhausting sitting at a home, simply nothing doing. And moreover, I am very far away with my pets. I'm really missing my pets. But anyway, thank God I got some beautiful place over here. Just sunset, and it's the time almost like 6:30 some around. And look at the beautiful place over here. And Said Ali, just show the hand. He is Said Ali, a fisherman. Very good fellow. You're not getting a single fish over here, but still trying. Anyway, friends, I just want to tell actually a small information by this video. The thing is, friends, that keep some food near your houses. The stray dogs really, are hungry. And really, nobody is roaming at the places evening time and morning time. Just they are getting them sometime around 6 to 10 a.m. But still, we don't know. There is always a lot of hungry dogs waiting over the place near houses. So friend, I just want to tell you people only something, that please feed some dogs near your house. जितना हो सके थोड़ा बहुत आप feed कर लीजिए. हम तो alhamdulillah, I am just feeding, almost trying to feed, almost covering my district, my Karimnagar place. So I am really thankful to actually the city additional DSP Chandramohan. He is really helping me, sending a vehicle. And you believe me, he is such a wonderful guy who is supporting me. My friends also, contributing with me. They are feeding the human people, almost 200 people. They are really feeding the fresh mineral water, food and all. And a wonderful guester. I just want to upload that videos, but I don't know the beneficiaries who is, the taking. I don't want to show their faces. I really don't like, because it is not the good way, showing these things and all. And I really don't like the show off. Whatever the stuff is there, I'm just enjoying this. Please, people, feed the stray dogs who are really in need. And people, please take care of your elders. It's second wave is very dangerous. Nobody can help you. So people, please be careful, stay strong, and take care of your parents. Parents are the most important in the world. Nobody cares you, only the parents. Who, when the parents are, oh, look at the fish, how wonderful just now got. So friends, I just want to tell, parents are the most important people in the world. So I keep updating the videos of the stray dogs from tomorrow. But still people, still friends, keep loving each other, keep helping each other, keep feeding the street dogs. Please, they are really in need. Kitna bhi ho saka, jitna bhi ho saka, please take a precautions. Feed some dogs, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Just it is, I think, most बड़ी बात नहीं है किसी को थोड़ा feed करने के लिए. तो please थोड़ा contribute करिए. Inshallah, you can make it, you can do it. So God bless you, friends, and just say hi to these people. बेचारे मेरे पीछे आए. They are really helping helping me to feed the dogs. And this this is a small atmosphere, that like village type. It's near Karimnagar. So mashallah, it's wonderful place. And this is called munjal trees and all. So look at the sound. I think they are the insect sounds. I'm enjoying the atmosphere. I am going to stay more like for half an hour, and I just leave the place, because मुझे permission मिली. इसका मतलब ये नहीं I misused it. So all the very best, friend. Keep watching. Thank you very much. Keep loving and keep your dogs safe, and feed the dogs. I'm saying again and again. Or keep loving. Thank you so much. Good luck.